World War II. The German army mostly used 750cc twin-cylinder BMW and Zundapp motorcycles. These heavy-duty machines were often fitted with sidecars, employing a third driven wheel, making them ideal for use in treacherous wartime conditions. At the outbreak of war, a shortage of motorbikes for the army meant nearly 6,500 civilian machines were pressed into military service, making a fleet of 20,000 two-wheelers. Britain prepared for invasion, but whether these camouflage motorcycles would have represented more of a threat to their riders or the enemy is open to question. June 1941, Operation Barbarossa. Germany invades Russia. The motorcycle made for light and adaptable transport. Its air-cooled engine proved effective in both extremes of temperature, the Russian winter and the heat of North Africa.